Welcome to our Thursday Land Academy member call. If you are new and or a guest, we're really happy you are here. As you can see, this call is a lot of fun. We do talk mostly about land, but we also have a good time doing it. Would you do this deal? Orange County, Florida, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,000 square feet, built in 2016. Purchase price, $345,000. So here's the comps in the same sub. One sold December 2021 for $430, a little bit bigger, 2,444 square feet, 2 doors down. One same size, 2,444 square feet, 1 block away, $472. Another one for currently pending, $498. These 2,444 directly next door. I would do this deal.
Yeah, I mean, I'd have to see it. We'd have to get in there to get pictures of it. The regular thing.
He's already seen it.
So your sell price is going to be if you had to get out of it, would be $430.
It's lakefront community.
Blocks from water too.
But you know what? And if I could make 40 out of it, if you think you do 40 out of it inside of 30 days, I'd do it.
Yeah, so it's safe.
Which you probably could.
There's nothing on the market. I think it's safe. I would probably greenlight it.
I wonder if you can be very specific about what would make you price a mailer at 70 to 80% instead of say 30 to 40 or 25%.
These are completed properties that have been sold. This is land now in the last 12 months. This is a very urban area compared to some of the places we send mail. There's 700 properties completed, 180 for sale. That's almost 3 times. If I knew this market like I know a lot of the markets that Jill and I are in, and I knew that for some reason, this area, like this block of this area versus this block of this area, people listed and it sells that day, I would go in here and I would offer 70 to 80% because I know the market so well. Could I go to like Illinois, which is a market I know nothing about, and offer 70 to 80%? Absolutely not. It's only appropriate for us anyway to go in that high when I absolutely don't even need a crystal ball, can tell you exactly what's going to happen when Jill and I buy the property. In fact, it's going to be sold, I can tell you, with 98% certainty. It's going to be sold during the time it's in escrow on the buy side when we're buying. That's when I would offer 70%.
I was just going to say the same thing as you did, Jack, is I think the only time I would ever offer that much is if I knew the market really well. Other than that, I don't think I would go that high.
All right, we have Patrick County, Virginia. We have 2, 1.37 and 3.7 acres for a total of 5.7 acres. Access, yes. Got the acreage here. Alive, barely.
Excellent.
Yeah. Adjacent, yep. Utilities, yep.
I would buy this.
5 for $4,000.
Yes. This is, so look, here's the deal. The property, I would normally say, hell no. But for $4,000, this is one of those where we're saying like, this is a $100,000 plus piece of property, maybe more. If you can get it for $5,000 because it's got flaws, go for it. And you're about to do that. There's all kinds of signage here. Is it usable? Probably not. I mean, we just saw what it looked like on the street, and it's tough. But you'll buy this and you'll put a sign out there for $50,000. Yes, I would buy this.
I would totally buy this for $4,000.
Okay, good.
It's huge. Isn't it that whole piece behind too that's being farmed?
Yeah, she owns that too. Just buy it.
Buy it all.
Figure it out later.
I would try to buy all of that.
Would you do this deal? Berkeley County, South Carolina, 8 acres. Access legal, no. Physical, yes. Accepted offer price, $20,000. Roads not paved. Mostly flat.
What? How's that not legal?
That's not nice.
Yeah, they gave access to that house behind them.
It's right here. It's 8 acres for $20,000. Here's 8 acres for 80. 2 acres for 20. 8 for 100. 1 for 30. The numbers really support the deal. Really, really support it. 1 to 2 times what you're going to pay. So it's worth figuring this access thing out. My gut tells me this property has access. And I think this lawyer is wrong. Do you have pull a plat map from the county? If this road's in the plat map, and then you have access, physical and legal access.
County says it has access.
Oh, so the lawyer's wrong.
Yeah.
So that's the first time the lawyer's ever been wrong.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, I like the deal.
Okay, good.
I would actually vigorously pursue it.
Davie County, North Carolina. Access, yes, we got it. 7.78 acres. Affordable? Question mark. 52,993 is the purchase price. Comps are between 130 and 150 for 7 acres. Neighborhood may be questionable. Alive, yep. No HOA, no POA. Utilities, no flood zone. This is great.
This actually looks really good. The dirt looks great. So adjacent, whether or not the neighborhood's questionable, dirt's being used all around it.
I love that.
This is the only vacant piece of property besides this questionable usage property anyway. It comes down to the money for me. Yeah, this is
How
great.
cool is that?
It's beautiful. Wow, there's a lot of sold property. This is good. 109 sold in a zip and 14 for sale.
Oh.
So I love this deal.
Ooh.
And I wouldn't run out and buy it, but I would put it under contract and get 2 very, very solid real estate agents out there and drone shots and all that. What it's got going for you, and again, following the A's, is adjacent. Every single one of these properties is being used. This is a little mini subdivision. So this is buy it and put 4 or 5 houses on it kind of thing. They're farming this back here.
Your own compound.
It could be cheaper, but if you can get 2 agents to say, oh yeah, I can sell it pretty quick.
These are my favorite numbers.
Me too, man. Buy for 50, sell for 150. I'll tell you, you do 10 of these a year, you make $1 million. This is a great deal, Amy, I think.
Thank you very much.
Have a great acquisition week. We'll see you same time, same place next week.
Got it.
Bye.
Bye.